Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be turning cucumbers into pickles. If you think I'm gonna actually like do with the brine and the different things I put in it, this ain't that video. However, what I'm gonna do is cut up the cucumbers, and I have some already made pickle juice. This is pickles that I already bought, and I ate the pickles up. What's a little bit left in my other one I took out. This one, and then I also have another one. I didn't want to go to waste. I know you can use it as brine and different things for your chicken, your stuff like that, your meats. I do that sometimes. I decided I'm gonna make some pickles, and then I also have some cucumbers. Okay, if people watch my channel, they know I love the bread and butter pickles. Those are the sweet pickles. These are good. This one, however, I didn't too much like it. And that's the ones I still got a little bit. I still ate them, and I still have a little bit left over. But yeah, I don't too much like these ones as much. So what I'm gonna do is, after I cut up my cucumber, put in here, but also use the juice for the other one. I'm also gonna use a little bit of some onions that I cut up. You know, you don't gotta do all of that. Just put the cucumbers in the juice that's already made. However, I just want a little bit more of a sweet taste, but still not as sweet. Cause like I said, with that other pickle, I don't too much like that. So first, as you is not going in here. Trying to see about this part because it's kind of, yeah. Might have to cut this part off. Don't want none to go to waste, but hey, I don't want this in there. Put some of my onions in here too. I put some more, my last bit of my onions in here. Okay, now I'm gonna pour the rest of my juice from the other one. That's worked out. That's the whole thing. Now they say it takes about 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. We just shake it a little bit. This is before, and then I'll let you see how it look after. Laura's will. 4 days later. Okay, hey y'all. I had to open it and get my fork. Remember, it got the onions in it. I'm liking how it's smelling. Like maybe because I should have smelled it before I, put it in the refrigerator, everything like that. But it was smelling at first more like that other one that I said. You guys see that video if you didn't see it. And for those who inquiring, why she got onions? I'm not gonna keep explaining myself. Ugh. But then she says, dice and saute. Am I gonna eat the onions or am I gonna eat the pickles? Come on now. Onions. Get away. I don't know why this onions on here. Get off of here. Alright, y'all. I'm trying to see if it got dark. It's how you embarrassing me. Stick a fork in it. Even though I ain't done, I'm just beginning. But that's what I gotta do in order for it to stay intact. I still get that cucumber, but I also get that pickle. Alright, let's see. I'm still getting cucumber. Cause when you eat a pickle and a cucumber, even though it's the same, however we put it in the cucumber in the state, transform it into pickles. I don't too much get the cucumber as much. However, with this, you still get the cucumber, but it tastes like the juice of the pickles, and it also tastes like the onions I put in here. The juice of one of the other pickle juices I had, I didn't too much like that. I still taste a little bit, but it's not as strong. Maybe because I added the onions and I also added a little bit of the other pickle juice. But I actually like these pickles. I like these pickles more than the pickles that I said I didn't like. Come on, get out the way, onions. You know, trying to steal the show. I taste you, but back up. You don't did your job. You know, ain't got no more use for you. And I ain't no use either, but you don't serve your time, your season. It's some leave. You know how some people got plenty of life you gotta deal with for a season? Some people choose to deal with people their way. I'm talking about people who deal with people God's way. I mean, you might only want you to deal with them for a season. And after that season is complete, then move on. These onions need to move on. Your season's complete. Get it? Seasoning? Because I see. Here's another pickle. Mm. Like I said, I do still taste a little bit of that juice from the container that I said I didn't like because I did put a lot in there. However, you can taste the onions and you can still taste that it's a cucumber, but it tastes like pickles on it with the onions. This is good, y'all. To rate this, I'll give it like a 9.2. But yeah, it's still good though. So yeah, go ahead and try this, y'all. You gotta throw your marinade away or anything like that. You can go ahead and make mo, like I did, using a cucumber, or you can use it to like marinate your poultry, or it don't have to be just chicken. It can be any type of meat. I was saying the only one that got the meats. You probably got some in your freezer at the supermarket.